Okay guys, so the Ouija fob I did a while ago, and there has been renewed interest in it. And now I have done a Ouija board zip bag. So I'm making a Ouija dangle, and we're gonna see how this turns out. So here's the dealio spaghettio. The easiest way to do the punch out, we're gonna do the whole fob or the whole dangle, and I'm gonna show you step by step. But the easiest way to do that center punch out is going to be if you have a leather punch kit, and that center punch, that hole is going to need to be 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch round. If you have one of these, the whole process goes super easy. But just like the Flasher Infinity Stone fobs, if you don't have a punch kit, I'm gonna show you how to hand cut this bad boy so that it looks super awesome. The things you'll need, obviously medium weight cutaway in a 4x4 hoop, 2 pieces of black marine vinyl, and 1 piece of clear vinyl. I always use 16 gauge. For me, 16 gauge is the best gauge to keep it from perfing and separating. So go ahead and throw your medium weight cutaway into the machine and run color stop 1. And there it is. Just like any other fob, you're just, or dangle, you're gonna take your marine vinyl, you're gonna float it on top, and you are gonna run all the color stops. Actually, there's only 1 color stop because this is a straight black and white design. So go ahead and run color stop 2. When it stops, I will show you how to cut and place and jump up and down and holla. Okay, so here we go. So like I said, the easiest way to do this is go ahead and throw the back on it. Secure the back. La 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 la. Flip it back over. Grab your 3/4 inch. Is it 3/4 inch? Nope, it's your 5/8 inch hole punch. Take a hammer and tap through the top vinyl, the stabilizer, and the bottom vinyl. But if you don't have this, because not everybody has a monster leather punch set, the other way to do this is in 2 parts. So we are going to take a seam ripper, and it's this inner single stitch of circles that you want to cut out. So we're going to seam rip a starter hole. You want to go right up to that single stitch, then you'll slide your scissors in, and you're going to cut right on top of that single stitch. Carefully. And yes, you're cutting the stitches too on the inner circle. Now, we are going to take this one, and again, line it up. Vlada, vlada. And now, you're just going to take pencil, make your cutting hole. There you go. Now on this one, you want to cut on the outside. Cut on the outside, not on the inside. There you go. Woo! There you go. Now, flip this bad boy over. Yeah. We're going to clean this up a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to take our clear vinyl, Blarba, and we're going to take our back vinyl. We're going to line the two holes up really well. We're going to tape the whole thing down, just like that. We're going to put it in the machine and we are going to run the last 3 color stops. The next color stop will satin around that rough edge, and then it'll do the tack down and the dangle. And I'll be back to show you that in a minute. All right, hey-o kiddios, and there we are. We are all done. Okay, we're gonna take our tape off. That tape doesn't wanna go anywhere. We're gonna pop it out of our hoop. Voila. We are gonna take our handy dandy favorite scissors, and we are going to trim to about 1/8 of an inch away from our tack line. Remember, we want to turn our work, not our scissors. Helps us keep a nice precise distance. Doesn't look all jaggy, jaggy, jaggy. Arrgh. There we go. It's a little tougher than usual because we're cutting through 2 layers of marine vinyl stabilizer and clear vinyl. Okay, there we go. All that's left to do, and I don't know if you can see a great lot of detail with that green background, but there you go. All that's left to do is use our punch set and set our eyelet and put on our chain, and then it'll be the dangle for our bag. Hope that was helpful. Talk to you later.